Hi, I'm Nitin Burman. I'm the Group CRO for Balaji Telefilms. I lead their digital and TV business. Yeah, people always love to hear stories in their native languages, right? If today I have to hear a story in my native language, say Hindi or Punjabi, that I have been grown up in listening to those languages in my house, I would love to hear the stories in those, right? And India is not actually one country. I always say that it's not United States of America, it is United States of India that we should call our country as, because we are a country of 28 countries. You move, every country has a rich culture in itself, it has a different language, so when you start speaking and telling stories in those languages, and your story is relatable to that particular culture, the kind of engagement people will have with that particular audience will be much larger as compared to a Hindi story being dubbed in any other language and being told over there. So for brands also, when they are actually building their brand campaigns, they should look at cultural nuances. They should look at developing brand stories in not just one language and dubbing it in multiple languages, but actually using the local artists, the local creators to create their stories to so that they can touch base the audience and the real Bharat audience. Today, see, the biggest audience which is growing in India is not the metro audience but the Bharat audience. And if you need to touch base them, you need to touch base them in their language. I think the event was good. I had very, very good co-panelists, who gave a lot of insights into storytelling. One was audio, one was mytho, so it was a very diverse panel and had a great time over there. And I think for FE, it's always a great, fun being part of these events that they organize. So hopefully they'll continue to call me for their future events as well.